In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up QuickBooks Payments so you can accept credit card and other digital payments from your customers quickly and securely. First, you'll need to sign up for QuickBooks Payments. You can do this directly in QuickBooks Online by going to the Settings menu, selecting Account and Settings, and then navigating to the Payments tab. If you can't find it, just use the search bar to type Payments and it will take you there. Once you're set up, QuickBooks will automatically categorize each payment in your chart of accounts, whether it's from a credit card, debit card, bank transfer, PayPal, or Venmo. Next, you'll provide your business information, like your legal name, address, tax ID, and bank account details. This helps QuickBooks create your payment processing account. After that, select the payment types you want to accept: credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. QuickBooks makes it easy to handle multiple options for your customers. You can also customize your invoices with a Pay Now button, so clients can pay instantly online. You can brand your invoices with logos and colors, schedule them, and even track payments. Customers can pay with credit or debit cards, Apple Pay, PayPal, or Venmo, helping you get paid faster and more efficiently. Before accepting real payments, it's a good idea to perform a few test transactions. This ensures everything is working properly and that payments are being deposited into your bank account correctly. Also, make sure to review the transaction fees for different payment types so you know your costs up front. Once everything is set up, inform your customers about the payment options available to them. This will encourage electronic payments and make your payment process smoother. And that's how you set up QuickBooks Payments to accept credit cards and other digital payments. Share this video and subscribe for more.